Hello, you're watching Critically Speaking. I'm Shomini Sen. Now this week, owing to the Eid festivities, there have been multiple releases in theatres as well as on OTT. From action comedy to sports biopics to apocalyptic web series to musical biopics. There's something for everyone this week. I'm here to talk about two biopics that I watched this week, Amit Sharma's Maidaan and Imtiaz Ali's Amar Singh Chamkila. Now both films are biopics. Maidaan, starring Ajay Devgan, is based on Saeed Abdul Rahim's life. Rahim is considered as the architect of modern Indian football and was instrumental in building the Indian football team that won the gold at 1962 Asian Games. Now Diljit Dosanjh transforms himself as Amar Singh Chamkila, a popular Punjabi singer who was shot dead at the peak of his career in 1980s in Punjab. While both films are based on real life incidents and real people, they are strikingly very different. I'm going to dive right in and talk about the things that worked and those that didn't for both Maidaan and Chamkila.
Maidaan works well for its story and a credible screenplay. Sure, it resorts to usual sports drama tropes, yet it is effective in elevating a known story with theatrics and good writing. While the first half of the film concentrates on Ajay Devgan's struggle with the Football Federation in putting a team together, it is the second half that is deeply engaging when the action shifts to the football field. The climax in particular is supremely well shot that brings out so many emotions for the viewers. The excitement of watching a close match, the joy of India winning, Rahim's redemption, all are beautifully highlighted. The length of the film. Maidaan isn't perfect. At nearly 3 hours runtime, the film's first half is mostly spent in the corridors of the Federation and not on the field. Diljit Dosanjh and Parineeti Chopra. The two actors are in top form in Chamkila and share a great on-screen chemistry. While Diljit brings a certain vulnerability to his character, Parineeti is beautifully restrained. The two even sing Chamkila's iconic songs live and adapt themselves well to the characters. Chamkila ensues actual footage of the singer and then recreates it on screen with its actors. It uses animation, photographs and archival footage to create an immersive experience. The film is not just a biopic, but so much more, where censorship, caste politics, political unrest in Punjab in the 1980s is beautifully highlighted. Like most biopics, it does try to whitewash Chamkila a bit and justify several of his actions.
Amar Singh Chamkila is perhaps Imtiaz Ali's most political film to date, yet the most fascinating and the most immersive of the lot. Diljit's performance can be easily a masterclass in acting. Meanwhile, veteran star Ajay Devgan delivers a restrained performance in Maidaan, a far cry from his macho action avatar in his other hits. Both Maidaan and Chamkila are similar in many ways, yet very different. Both films are A.R. Rahman musicals and have great soundtrack as well as original score. Both are biopics, both are stories that needed to be told for the present generation. The difference is also very striking. One talks about the glorious era of Indian football that is yet to be replicated. Chamkila, on the other hand, is a musical biopic but with a political twist to it. A film that talks of artistic freedom, censorship, politics, importance of music in terms of unrest. It is rare to have releases so deeply engaging in the same week. I recommend you to watch both because these stories needed to be known to a larger audience. And the great performances are just the icing on the cake. For a detailed review of Maidaan and Amar Singh Chamkila, log on to beyondnews.com. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.